Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to look into the solution of our exercise 2, that is building a complex number. We will take the real and imaginary parts as inputs from the user. Then we will display the complex number to the screen and also the absolute value of the complex number to the screen. So we'll start by creating two variables. One will store the real part of the complex, then the other will store the imaginary part of the complex. So here I am storing the values as floating point numbers, and the input I am entering the message enter the real part of the complex number, and for the imaginary part I am entering the message enter the imaginary part of the complex number. Here I have this /n. This is to enter space between two lines. Next, I am building the complex number using the complex function which we have studied earlier. I am giving real and imaginary parts as inputs. Now we display the complex number to the screen. I'm again starting with the new line. So I'm printing the real the complex number with real part is real part real number, and imaginary part imaginary number is my complex number. So I'm using three variables here, this real, imaginary and complex variable. I'm printing all these three variables values to the screen. Next, we calculate the absolute value of the complex number using absolute function. So the absolute value of the function is calculated using the absolute function by just giving the input as our complex number which we have created here. Next, I print the absolute value to the screen saying absolute value of the complex number is this complex number is the absolute value. Now let me run this code. So first it will ask me to enter the real part of the complex number. Let us say the real part value is 2. Next it will ask the imaginary part of the complex number, and you can see here I have created a new line and there is space here. So this space has come because of this \n. Right, so let me enter the imaginary part as 3. So this will give me the outputs as the complex number with real part 2 and imaginary part 3 is 2 plus 3j, and the absolute value of the complex number 2 plus 3j is 3.6055. So this is the solution to our exercise 2. Thank you.